Today we will configure conversion tracking on Google Ads running on a Magento 2 store. We'll do it in 4 steps. Creating a conversion in Google Ads, adding the conversion code to the website using Google Tag Manager, configuring Magento store, and viewing the results. I prefer this conversion tracking method over importing transactions from analytics because it provides better and more detailed conversion data to Google, which always helps running more efficient and profitable campaigns. Hi, I'm Andrey, and on this channel I talk about running better Google Ads campaigns for e-commerce businesses. Now, let's go. In your Google Ads, click on Tools and Settings, Conversions, click on blue plus sign to create a conversion. Use website as a type, purchase as a category. Name your conversion as you wish. As a value, use different values for each conversion. Every for count. Set click-through conversion window to add data similar or close to your sales cycle, and set your view through conversion window here, like this. Leave including conversions as yes, and change attribution model to data-driven if it's available, linear or position-based. Save it. You should see the new conversion. Click on it. Click on Tag Setup, use Google Tag Manager. Then copy the conversion ID and conversion label to another document. You will need it in the next steps. Then in your Google Tag Manager, in the triggers, hit New, name it as you wish. As a type, use page view, some page views, page URL, matches regex. As a string, use this string, which is typical for Magento. Save it, go to tags, create new tag, name it as you wish. As a configuration, select Google Ads conversion tracking. As a conversion ID, conversion label, use your previously saved values. Then click triggering and pick the trigger that you had created earlier, customer paid. Here, should be here. Click save, then click submit. In your Magento admin, click on stores, configuration, go to sales and Google API. Here you will see Google AdWords section. Clear the checkbox, change it yes to enable. Clear the checkbox in the conversion ID, and you guessed it, add the conversion ID we have here. And the same with conversion label. Save your configuration. Now go back to Google Ads and to conversions. Make sure the tracking status of your conversion action is recording conversions, and if you hover on it, it should say conversion tag is active. Also, conversion value can be viewed in the conversion action window if the appropriate column is added here. Conversion values and actions can also be displayed on the overview screen. To add a conversion value, pick one of the markers, select conversion value and pick our created conversion, customer paid. You will see a line representing the conversion value. To add a conversion action, pick another marker, then select conversions and pick our new created conversion, customer paid. Here we have blue line showing the conversion value and red line showing the conversion actions. And we are done. If you have any questions about this video or any questions of running Google Ads on your e-commerce business, let me know in the comments below. Thank you and see you next time.